We'll guide you through how to change the country on a Google account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on a phone or computer, it doesn't matter. We're going to keep this guide broad so you can follow along, and it's a very similar process. So perhaps you've gone and moved, which is why you want to go and change the country. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide and you don't skip anything, as you may go and miss something important otherwise. So to get started, you want to come to google.com. As you can see, here we are. Now, what you need to do is you need to make sure you're using the Google account. So you can go and press in the top right. This is the account I want to do it with. Switch if needed and sign in if you aren't already. If you've already got one here, you need to press show more. Then you can press add another. So once you've got the right one selected, tap your profile icon in the top right, as we already have done here. And you can then go and press manage your Google account, like so. Go and wait, and it's going to go and bring you to this page here. Now, what you need to do is we need to go up to the top and press personal info. So go and click there. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find home address, and you can go and tap there. Now we can go and change it. So mine is currently set to the United Kingdom, but we can go and remove this. I can go and change it to the United States. And then you can go and select it and suggested. And you can also go and choose a map if needed, and you can then go and press save, like so, and it's now been saved. So it's going to go and personalize your experience here. Alternatively, what you can do is you can come and do it on google.com differently as well. So on google.com, you can scroll down to the footer and you want to go and press on settings and press search settings. Then you want to go and press other settings at the top and press language and region. And you can go down to results region and click there, and you can go and choose the region you want to go and use. You can go and select it, and you can then press confirm, and that's it.